Hello everyone, our subject is investment banking and financial service. So today is our last lecture in which we have completed various we will complete various short notes. Let's start about the private placement. So generally there are three types of issues: public issue, right issue, and private placement. Public issue means shares offered to the general public. Right issue means shares offered to the existing shareholder, and private placement means here is shares offered to the particular selected group of persons. So private placement is neither public issue or nor right issue. There are various types of issue: public issue, right issue, and private placement. પબ્લિક ઇસ્યુ મીન્સ તમે જનરલ પબ્લિકને શેર્સ ઓફર કરો એને શું કહેવાય? પબ્લિક ઇસ્યુ. રાઇટ ઇસ્યુ મીન્સ ઇફ યુ offer share to the existing shareholder, then it is right issue. Then private placement means shares offered to the particular group of person, placement selected group of person not exceeding 49, means less than 50%. When a company make an issue of shares, convertible security to selected group of person not exceeding 49, it's called private placement. Clear? So you have to just remember private placement means shares offered to the particular group of person. Clear? So here is, you have to just read important provision related to private placement. Important provision means rules and regulation. Offer should be made to qualified institutional buyer as per defined by SEBI. Qualified institutional buyer, there are two type of buyer: individual buyer and institutional. Individual એટલે કોઈ પણ વ્યક્તિ, કોઈ પણ પર્સન શેર પરચેઝ કરે તો એને ઇન્ડિવિજ્યુઅલ બાયર કહેવાય. અને ઇન્સ્ટિટ્યુશનલ એટલે કોઈ પણ ઇન્સ્ટિટ્યુશન, લાઈક મ્યુચ્યુઅલ ફંડ ઇન્સ્ટિટ્યુશન, લાઈફ ઇન્સ્યોરન્સ કોર્પોરેશન, આ કોઈ પણ બેંક શેર પરચેઝ કરે તો એને શું કહેવાય? ક્વોલિફાઈડ ઇન્સ્ટિટ્યુશનલ બાયર. Company obey Security Contract Act 1956. So if company select the private placement, means shares offered to the particular group of person, then company have to compulsory follow the rules and regulation of SEBI Act 1992. Subscription for security should be received by company through check. Clear? Subscription means money કેમાં? Subscription for the security compulsory through check, demand draft, and other banking channel, not through cash. Clear? Allotment of security should be completed within 60 days from the date of receipt of the application. Money amount received along with application should be deposited in scheduled bank. No advertisement is published by issuer company. Clear? So it is just private placement. You have to read shares. Private placement divided into two parts. Clear? Preferential issue and qualified institutional placement. Private placement, keep in mind, private placement divided into two parts: preferential issue and qualified institutional placement. So preferential allotment means listed company to issue specified security to selected group of person with the rules. Provision means rules and regulation. પ્રાઇવેટ પ્લેસમેન્ટ બે પાર્ટમાં ડિવાઈડ થાય છે: પ્રેફરન્શિયલ અલોટમેન્ટ અને ક્વોલિફાઈડ ઇન્સ્ટિટ્યુશનલ પ્લેસમેન્ટ. ક્લિયર? The provision of preferential issue are disclosed in Companies Act. The company following issues must comply with the requirement of SEBI's regulation. So preferential issue is not public issue, bonus issue, or qualified institutional placement, but issue of security to selected group of person. Clear? So special resolution must be passed in the meeting of shareholder. Promoter group include relative lock-in period means you cannot transfer share within 3 years. Clear? So this is the preferential issue. Then qualified institutional placement. So here is qualified institutional placements means shares offered to the equity share and security which are convertible into equity share can be issued to qualified institutions. Qualified institution includes mutual fund, insurance company, foreign institutional investor, banks. Issuer has to prepare the document which is known as placement document, contained all relevant information. જેમ આપણે પબ્લિક ઇસ્યુમાં કેમ પ્રોસ્પેક્ટસ કંપની ઇસ્યુ કરે which contain all fact figure about the company. Same way, if company go for the particular group of selected person or selected institutions like mutual fund institutions, insurance company, then company have to prepare placement document which contain all relevant information about the company. So on the basis of information, investor can take decision, institution can take decision whether they have to make investment in particular company or not. Clear? So company which is eligible and fulfill necessary requirement of provision of SEBI can allot shares non-convertible debt instrument. So issuer means listed company should satisfy the following condition. Special resolution, clear, must be passed in shareholders meeting. Listed company is eligible. Only listed company. Listed એટલે which is registered under the National Stock Exchange or Bombay Stock Exchange. Security can be allotted only to the investor who are qualified institutional buyer. Qualified institutional buyer means scheduled commercial bank. હવે institutional buyer જો બે ટાઈપના ઇન્વેસ્ટર હોય, ઇન્ડિવિજ્યુઅલ અને ઇન્સ્ટિટ્યુશનલ. ઇન્ડિવિજ્યુઅલ એટલે કોઈ પણ વ્યક્તિ શેર પરચેઝ કરે તો એને શું કહેવાય? ઇન્ડિવિજ્યુઅલ. ઇન્સ્ટિટ્યુશનલ એટલે કોઈ પણ બેંક, commercial bank, mutual fund, foreign institutional who are registered under the SEBI, venture capital fund, provident fund, pension fund, financial institution, clear. So the issue price should be based on 2-week averages, clear. Closing price you have to just read. Then bought out deals. So public issue is through prospectus, which is lengthy and expensive procedure to raise the capital. Generally public issue in which you have to issue prospectus and invite general public to subscribe the share of the company. In comparison to public issue, bought out deal is cheapest and easy raise capital fund for medium size. Bought out deal is in form of agreement between company and merchant banker. A merchant banker, leading financial house, enter into mutual agreement of company for bought out deals. Under this agreement, either company issue equity share or security in full is bought in a lot, clear. Security are kept with financial house or by sponsor for participation. Merchant banker or sponsor generally inquires detail appraise the project before investing capital fund. Then green shoe option. So what is green shoe option? Green shoe option means to maintain price stability, clear. જે ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ કંપની શેર ઇસ્યુ કરી લઈએ, ક્લિયર, એના પછી પ્રાઇસ સ્ટેબલ રાખવા માટેનો ઓપ્શન છે ગ્રીન શુ ઓપ્શન. So green shoe option included public issue stabilization. It is a one kind of stabilization mechanism. Whenever there is a over allotment or excess allotment, then company must have to maintain stability. If there will be a unstable price, then it is not good for the investors. So to maintain stability, post listing price of security, clear. Post listing price would be available up to 30 days. So simple, you have to keep in mind. Green shoe option means to maintain price stability, clear. If your company provide green shoe option allocation share up to 15% of size of issue which are borrowed, clear. So you have to just read. Then post issue work or obligation. Post issue collection of application form along with application money from the bankers, clear. Screening of application received, then deciding allotment of the security. Post issue work, company share issue કરી લે પછી ક્યાં ક્યાં work and obligation responsibility રહે કંપનીની or merchant banker ની, એના વિશે છે. તો કે આમાં તમે merchant banker ની એક્ટિવિટી પણ લખી શકો. collection and application of form, clear. screening, જે એપ્લિકેશન મળી હોય, તમે શેર કંપની શેર બહાર પાડે એટલે લોટ્સ ઓફ એપ્લિકેશન મળે, એમાંથી સ્ક્રીનિંગ કરવાનું કે who are eligible for the allotment. પહેલા એપ્લિકેશન આવે પછી allotment, clear. deciding allotment, submission of post issue monitoring report, clear. redressal investor grievances એટલે કઈ conflict થાય તો redressal means to provide solution, clear. So issue allotment, demat allotment letter, share certificate. Then here is post issue obligations are clear, you have to just read. Then broker, clear. broker નું આ બધું તમે જાતે લખી શકો, clear. broker means the person who is dealing in buying and selling activity, means stock broker who is member of stock exchange, clear. Stock exchange means Bombay Stock, either Bombay Stock Exchange or National Stock Exchange, which SEBI is necessary to act broker in stock exchange. Broker is a trading person, clear. So here is broker means to involve in buying and selling activity on behalf of their client, clear. Then here is you have to read duties of broker. So broker is a mediatory or link, clear. broker શું છે? It is a mediatory or link between buyer and seller of the security. So he should execute the order faithfully, clear. broker should inform about the executions, clear. Whenever client have a do not proper knowledge about when to buy, when to sell, where to purchase, where to sell, clear. So a broker is the person who provide knowledge, who provide advice or dealing, buying and selling on behalf of their client. Clear? Then you have to just read duties. Sub-broker act as on behalf of broker in dealing security transaction. In this sense, sub-broker is agent of acting on behalf of broker. Clear? Then investor protection. So what is investor protection? Investor protection is a SEBI's guidelines. It is one of the objective of SEBI to protect the right of investor. SEBI છે Security Exchange Board of India, એનો main objective શું છે? To protect the right of investor. Clear? For the protection of investors, SEBI issued regulation and guidelines. SEBI monitors whether the rules, regulation and guidelines are being followed by stock exchanges. So SEBI monitor, evaluate, SEBI control રાખશે. Clear? It is a one kind of controller body or regulatory body. SEBI છે. So main SEBI નું objective શું છે? Investor protection. Investor ના rights, authority, investor ના જે બધા rights છે, clear, interest છે, બધું protect કરવાનું. Clear? ઇન્વેસ્ટરના ફેવરમાં ડિસિઝન લેવાનું. સો સેબી મોનિટર વેધર ધ રૂલ્સ, રેગ્યુલેશન, ગાઈડલાઇન્સ બીન ફોલોડ બાય ધી સ્ટોક એક્સચેન્જ કંપની, બ્રોકર ઓર અધર. સેબી ચેક કરશે. એક તો સેબી પહેલા તો રૂલ્સ એન્ડ રેગ્યુલેશન્સ ડિસાઇડ કરશે, ગાઈડલાઇન્સ બહાર પાડશે, પછી ચેક કરશે કે આ બધું કંપની છે, બ્રોકર છે, સ્ટોક એક્સચેન્જીસ છે, આ બધે સેબીના રૂલ્સ ફોલો કરે છે કે નહીં. ક્લિયર? સેબી હેઝ ઇસ્યુડ સ્પેશિયલ મેઝર્સ for the issue of capital and market intermediary to protect right and interest. Clear? SEBI has issued disclosure and investor protection DIP guideline. Disclosure and investor protection DIP. Clear? So SEBI has issued regulation measures means rules. Clear? investor na protection માટેના rules છે SEBI એ decide કરેલા. તો કે SEBI has issued regulation for intermediaries, merchant. There are various intermediaries in issue management like merchant banker, broker, sub-broker, registrar. Clear? So SEBI does not allow company to make misleading statement. કાંઈ પણ ખોટું સ્ટેટમેન્ટ આપવાનું નહીં જે મિસલીડ કરે ઇન્વેસ્ટરને. ક્લિયર? એન્ડ ઇન્ડ્યુસીસ, અટ્રેક્ટ કરે સેલ્સ એન્ડ પરચેસ. કાંઈ પણ એવી ખોટી ઇન્ફોર્મેશન નહીં આપવાની જેને લીધે ઇન્વેસ્ટર બાઇંગ એન્ડ સેલિંગ કરે. બધી ફેક્ટ ઇન્ફોર્મેશન આપવાની. ક્લિયર? ડીમેટ ઓફ શેર હેઝ બીન ઇન્ટ્રોડ્યુસ. સેબી હેઝ ઇસ્યુઝ DIP guideline, disclosure and investor protection. Clear? એમાં eligibility of company norms, pricing, contribution, lock-in period. Lock-in period એટલે shares cannot be transferred 3 years or 5 years. Clear? So it is a unit number 2. We have completed almost our all syllabus. Clear? We have completed syllabus. So if you have any doubt or query, then you can message me. Clear? Thank you all.